Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to my channel where we talk about everything personal finance, investing in real estate, buying stocks, making money online, all that good stuff. But in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about student loans, and I'll be giving you all the latest information on the forbearance program and on the stoppages of student loans. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, because I will have some very important information regarding student loans. But before we start, make sure you hit the like button, also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share this video with other people that have student loans, because there will be a ton of valuable information that pretty much affects a lot of people that have student loans. So make sure you share the video. Alright, let's get started. A couple months ago, there was a lot of talks about student loans and student loan forgiveness and the forbearance program until the economy gets back on track, until we get out of this crisis. So the government passed a couple of measures in order to help student loan holders, especially the ones holding federal student loans. And now a lot of the information is being released and a lot of those measures are in effect. So let's answer all your questions regarding these measures. So the government has decided to stop interest on federal student loans. So starting on March 13th, 2020, your federal student loans will have a 0% interest rate. Check out mine. As you can see, all of my student loans are at 0%. Alright, now let's answer some very important questions. How long will this last? 0% interest on your school loans will last from March 13th, 2020 all the way up to September 30th of 2020. This is about 6 months of 0% interest on your federal student loans. So how can you take advantage of this 0% interest on student loans? First thing that you have to do is log into your account. When I log into my account with Great Lakes, it was already at 0%. But if you log into your account and it's not at 0%, make sure to call your loan provider. Get as much information as possible and see if you can get the 0% interest rate. A lot of loan providers will automatically do this for you. But if not, make sure you give them a call. So if I make a payment on my student loans while they are in forbearance for the next 6 months, what will happen? So the full amount of your payment will go to principal, and it will help you pay off your student loans a lot faster. Another question that you may ask, do I have to make my student loan payment while I'm in the 6 months forbearance period? The answer is no, you do not have to make any payments while your loans are in forbearance and you have a 0% interest rate. But the smart thing to do is still make your payments if you can afford to, in order to pay down your balance, since all of your payment will be going to principal. So you do not have to make any payments on your loans in the next 6 months, but if you do, everything will go to principal. So if you have private student loans, will you be able to get the 0% interest rate and the 6-month forbearance? Simple answer is no. You will have to have loans that are backed by the federal government. Also, if you are part of the income repayment program, you will be able to take full advantage of 0% interest rate and the 6 months forbearance period. It will not affect your income repayment program whatsoever. And now some very important information. That's why you should share this video with all your friends. If you're making auto payments on your account, your auto payments are suspended right now. For the next 6 months, you will not be able to make auto payments on your student loans. You can still log into your account and set up automatic payments, but if you do this, you will not be able to take advantage of 0% interest and the forbearance period. The way you can get around this is by making manual payments. So every single month, if you want to make a payment, you will have to log into your account and make a payment manually. You will not be able to make auto payments unless you get out of the program, which is something I do not recommend. Take full advantage of 0% interest and the 6 months forbearance period. It takes about 2 minutes to make a payment manually, so do not get tricked into setting up automatic payments, because you will be kicked out of the program. Also, if you made a payment on your student loans from March 13th, 2020 until September 30th, 2020, so if you made a payment in those 6 months, you are eligible for a full refund of your payment. You simply have to call your loan provider and request the refund, and they will send it to you. So how will you know when to start making payments on your student loans? In August, they will send out letters, send out notifications in order to remind people that at the end of September, people will be able to make payments just like they did before. So you will have to log into your account and set up automatic payments and get everything situated. So what if you want to continue making payments like nothing has ever happened on your student loans? Well, you can do that as well. And the good thing, all of your payments will go into principal and you will pay down your student loan debt. This is something that I'm doing personally. I'm still making payments as I did before, but now I'm doing it manually instead of auto. So I will continue to make full payments on my student loans in order to pay them down faster. One other thing that I would like to mention, if you are filing your taxes and you have money being withheld from your tax return in order to pay down student loan debt, if your return is processed between March 13th, 2020 and September 30th, 2020, your money will not be withheld. You will get the full refund and none of it will go to your student loans. So you will be able to enjoy a bigger refund and have nothing go into your student loans. So this is a very positive. I know a lot of people have already done their taxes and this money has been withheld in order to pay student loans. But for all the people that are filing late, you'll be able to get a refund. But for everybody that filed before, sorry, you are out of luck. Also, if your wages are being garnished in order to pay down your student loans, there is some very, very good news for you. Between March 13th, 2020 and September 30th, 2020, your wages will not be garnished. And if they've been garnished, you'll be able to get a full refund. So make sure you talk to your HR department at your workplace in order to take full advantage of this. Good news, you will get full paychecks and nothing will be garnished. Also, if you are in the income-driven repayment program and you lost your job, you've been laid off, and now you have no money coming in, how will this benefit you? If you're in an income-driven repayment program, you are automatically placed in the forbearance. So for the next 6 months, you do not have to make any payments on your student loans. Also, if you continue to be unemployed past the 6 months forbearance period, just contact your loan provider and they will work with you and hopefully give you an extension. But for the next 6 months, you do not have to make any payments. So there you go, some common questions and answers regarding the forbearance program, the CARES Act. So if you have any other questions, drop it in the comment section below. Also, I want everybody watching this video to take full advantage of this opportunity. If you've been planning to pay down your student loans and get out of student loan debt, this is a perfect opportunity in order to do so. All of your payments will go into principal and it will help you pay down your student loans faster. I am taking full advantage of this opportunity in order to pay down all my student loans. I have about $11,000 in student loan debt that I plan on paying off this year. So this is a great opportunity for people that want to pay down student loans and get out of debt. Also, this is very beneficial for all the people that have lost their jobs, that are unemployed right now. This is a 6-month grace period that you can take full advantage of. Save some money up and be ready once this 6 month is over to start making payments again. But this is a great opportunity and you need to take full advantage of it. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be releasing the latest information on the CARES Act and the latest information on this program. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help out and answer all your questions. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and please share this video with all your friends that have student loan debt. This can help them tremendously and maybe they have no clue that this is even going on. So make sure you share the video in order to spread the message, in order to help more people take advantage of this program. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.